Tired of being bogged down by clunky browser automation tools? Installing tons of software, spending ages coding, and ending up with painfully low efficiency? Give Gogogo a shot. Gogogo is an AI-powered, lightweight automation tool. Just install a sleek browser extension. No need for any extra bulky local programs. With a few simple clicks in your browser, AI will generate automation test scripts for you, quickly and tailored to your needs. Whether you're a developer, a tester, or an everyday user looking to simplify repetitive tasks, Gogogo helps you cut down on redundant work and boost efficiency. Now let's jump into the installation demo. Let's first open the browser. Navigate to the extension page. Click the left top menu. Click the extension store link. Let's search for Gogogo. Open the Gogogo page. Click the Get button. Add extension. And wait for a few seconds. Now the Gogogo extension is installed. We can pin the extension to Toolbar. Now let's jump into the practical demo. Click the Gogogo icon. Open the sidebar. Click the Load button. Select the demo task file. We have prepared some demo steps. Let's replay the steps. In this demo, we will navigate and log in into the Swag Labs. We will try to click the Sauce Labs backpack, go to the Details page, and then Add to Cart. Then we try to find the Bike Light and Fleece Jacket, also added to cart. Now we check the items in the cart and click the Checkout button. Input the first name, last name, postal code, and then click the Continue button. Now we verify the price and click the Finish button. Click the Back Home. All steps in this demo have been executed, and all have passed. Now let's add some new steps. Let's try to click the menu on the left top corner. For better user experience, we can first expand the editor area. We will use AI to generate the scripts. So let's first select it using the Select button. Then we ask the AI to click the selected element. AI helps us to write the scripts directly. Test it, and it works. Now let's add other steps. In this step, we need to click the Reset App State option. Let's select the Reset App State option. Ask AI to click on it. I generated the scripts. Before executing the script, we can use the highlight function to verify if the element is located or not. Run the scripts. The Reset App State is highlighted correctly. Now let's add the steps to log out. Select the Logout option. Ask the AI to highlight and click the Logout option. This time AI generated the scripts for both highlighting and clicking. Test it, and the scripts ran successfully. Now let's start replay again. All the steps are executed sequentially. In each step, we locate the element, highlight it, click the button Input Text, or verify text as needed. All actions such as clicking, filling, and highlighting have been executed successfully. We also incorporate expect style assertions to validate the text content and values of elements. Each step's status is displayed immediately after the step is executed. The demo will now run to completion. We hope you enjoy exploring Gogogo. Feel free to download and try it out. We welcome your feedback and suggestions, and we'll continue refining the tools to make it even more effective for you. Thank you, and bye-bye.